Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance fighter will be embarking on Opèratiøn K Python. No be small thing, no. They say that Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, he said that starting from today for Anambra going, he said there will be Opèratiøn K Python. As that one they hot, no be small thing. May we go find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We dey here Grigbam they bring you back to back update as e dey hot. Let's quickly jump into the matter wey we get for hand today. But before we do so, check whether I don't give the channel a follow and quickly do so, because we dey bring you all update anywhere where you dey share. Now there would they bring you. As we dey talk, so the one where they happen now, people they prepare for Xmas. They say that the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile will be Simon Ekpa don't tell Biafra Resistance fighter and Biafra Liberation Army say there will be Opèratiøn K Python for Anambra State. You see any ekelebe wey hold kala for hand, he said that person he go become roasted meat too. As he can't talk this one, now come ask say, wetin can dey happen? Every police, every army, all of them, may they go inside or say no need them for inside the territory of Biafra. Yeah, my people, may no be like say now would they cook the talk. May I play the video, may you watch, and before we come back and proceed.
People, it is some civil disobedience is some to come to the history at the end of the day, because you are making history today. And for that reason, the killing of Biafrans in Ihala and Uli. For that reason, we are locking down Anambra State tomorrow. And I want everyone to understand that tomorrow, lockdown in Anambra will be something you have never seen before. I want everyone to cut this video and share it to all WhatsApp group, all business and traders group, any shop or any market that open tomorrow. Believe me, Biafra people will deal with that market. It is a Biafra government that is ordering the lockdown of Anambra State. We will make sure that no government offices will be open in Anambra tomorrow. If any office open in Anambra, we will raise them down. If any government office opens in Anambra State tomorrow, it does not matter how long it's going to take. It does not matter how many months it's going to take. We will bring it down. That is the price you pay. And this particular civil disobedience is very, very important to punish the government of Anambra State, that you can never kill Biafra again and go free. To punish Soludo, to make Soludo, who is an illegitimate governor as far as Biafra is concerned, that all Anambra State have now forced it. To inform Soludo that he is no longer in charge of Anambra State, representing Nigeria. To inform Soludo that Anambra remain Biafra, and Biafra Anambra shall be. By tomorrow, every road leading to Anambra will be under curfew. I want everyone to understand what I'm saying. I did not say sit at home. I said curfew, 6 to 6. Anambra will be locked down tomorrow, 4th day of December 2023. Anambra will be locked down on the 5th, which is next tomorrow, the 5th December 2023, and the 6th December 2023. These 3 days is a day we are going to use to hunt down the killers of that little boy. This particular 3 days is the day we are going to use to hunt down the killers of Biafrans in Uli. Those people that killed those children, those people that killed that little boy in Ihala, it is from tomorrow. From tonight, not even from tomorrow. From tonight, we are hunting them. So if you know that you are in Anambra State and you are a Biafran and you are wearing any terrorist uniform, from the army, from the police, from tonight, go and hide it. Believe me, go and hide it. You people have committed atrocities, war crime, genocide unchecked. And now we are checking it. So this particular order make sure that no movement of any Nigeria terrorists in uniform in Anambra State, starting from tomorrow. Any place we see you, any place we see you moving with gun in Anambra State from tomorrow, you will go down. It is to show you that you can no longer kill Biafra again. And let me tell you, after this particular sit at home in Anambra State, things will never remain the same. So fellow Biafra, like I said before, when you look at what is happening around the world, there are crises everywhere. There are war everywhere. We are not going into conventional war at this point. For those thinking that we are going to fight war with Nigeria, we are already at war with Nigeria. And this war this time around is not a conventional war. It's a systematic war that anybody who stepped his foot as a military man, as a police, to come to kill in Biafra land, you will be dead. You can never go back alive. I want to inform Biafra people that the Biafra Liberation Army from tomorrow is embarking on Opèratiøn Pythøn must be killed. Killing the Python. From tomorrow, the Biafra Liberation Army, the Biafra Resistance fighters will be embarking on Opèratiøn Killing the Python. Opèratiøn Killing the Python. Those python that danced in Biafra land and killed many Biafrans. From tomorrow, it is Opèratiøn Killing the Python, wherever they are. Any place you see them, bring them down. These are the people who have killed without remorse. They have no regard to constitution. They have no regard to law. They have no regard to international law. They have no regard to rule of engagement. They come, they kill, and nobody check them. And today, we are well armed to defend our land. And for that reason, the Python must be killed. So from tomorrow, fellow Biafran, I want everybody to understand that any place you see any military car, any military van, any military terrorist van, any terrorist police van, run! Because to avoid getting hit by stray bullet. We do not want any civilian to suffer. We do not want any civilian or Biafra person to die. We do not want any scratch to happen to any civilian. It is our duty as a government to protect you. It's our duty as a government to make sure we provide the security that Nigeria has never provided for you since you were born. And that's why I will continue to shout, to give directive that you must stay very clear and stay away from any moving military vehicle, any moving military police has never provided for you since you were born. And that's why I will continue to shout, to give directive that you must stay very clear and stay away from any moving military vehicle, any moving military police vehicle, any security agent that carries gun in Biafra land. Don't go close to them because stray bullet may hit you. Opèratiøn Pythøn must be killed. Will be activated from the 4th of December 2023. Fellow Biafran, as we have completed setting up the Biafra de facto government, state structure, and other institution, the Biafra liberation will have come to almost a conclusive end. And when the state starts functioning as it should be, we will then go into the data collection of the Biafra people. The data collection of Biafra people will be announced very, very soon. Solution is there. Those of you in diaspora will have access an opportunity to have Biafra national identity card. It is only open to the Biafrans in diaspora, and those in the homeland will only have the opportunity to have their data collected. The data collection is very important, very imperative in the pursuit for the liberation of Biafra, especially on the upcoming Biafra self-referendum.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video where they give say every Biafra made them stay inside though. No be small thing. And they say this oppression killing the Python not to go buy all those people, you know. Go buy all those people where we say where they buy Biafras as he take talk amo. Yeah, my people, you know, say I know as we dey do am for here, we go bring you matter. We go allow you, may you contribute put for inside wetin dey happen. May you let us know wetin be your opinion o, and may you share your own contribution for this video wey we don show you now. Wan know wetin be your own contribution for this video? Drop in comment section. If you support the sit at home wey Simon Ekpa dey back on, may you write say you support o. If you no support am, may you let us know your own opinion for inside comment section. Remember say this channel dey bring all update back to back as e dey hot. We go see you for the next update, my people. Try to follow this page and make sure say you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you turn your notification bell so that you will get our update back to back as e dey hot.